Things are about to be epic. What do I eat? Turbo kit. What do I watch on TV? Turbo kit. What do I watch on YouTube? Turbo kit. What do I want to learn about? Turbo kit. What's the 370Z getting? Turbo kit. If you guys have no idea who I am, or you're new here, or you haven't done so already, subscribe. We're building a turbo kit for that car back there. And there's a big update this video. And continue watching because there is a giveaway on this video. That's all I'm gonna say. Slippery. Excuse me, please me. Okay, so this is pretty big for the 370Z. I'm literally just keeping you guys updated as I get updated. So yesterday, I got a text that the turbo kit, the rear mount turbo kit for the 370Z is done. So let me go back. So it is done, but at the same time it's not done. So as you guys know, this turbo kit that I'm getting for my 370Z, it's a rear mount turbo kit made by Limp Mode Tuning. I'm gonna put their Instagram on the screen because they've treated me so well for the past 2 years, and you know, just go talk to them, go bother Pat, tell him that you love him. I don't know.
That was a little weird.
But yeah, so the turbo kit's getting mocked up. Yo, what is that? What was that? I'm just kidding, I'm in the middle of nowhere, but that was a bad joke. That was a bad joke. So the turbo kit is getting built over there along with another 370Z. I'm gonna put up pictures on the screen just so you guys can see how cool this looks. But so they finished the turbo kit on the mock-up 370Z that was getting built alongside with mine. So they built his kit and then they're gonna replicate his kit for my car. Obviously make a few adjustments here and there. Yo, so I really wanna make mine custom, right? So I told him to weld a Dogecoin somewhere. Can you guys imagine, dude? That'd be so sick.
World's first 370Z rear mount turbo Doge kit.
But I believe some kits will be changed from his kit to mine, but it's kind of all the same thing. I'm putting pictures on the screen right now as I'm speaking. I am so excited for this. I don't think you guys realize. Do you guys want to see my new dance move? Actually pretty cool. I bet 90% of you can't do this. That's a fact. Stand up right now and try it. Let me know if you can. You legit can't. This right here, look at that. 90% of you cannot do that. That's a fact. It took them about a week to finish that car or so. I'm not even sure. But my car should be around a week. So the due date of having the kit at my house by June 15th is still alive. It might still be a thing. So expect the turbo kit. Yo, it's getting close, man. I literally want to go to sleep until the kit is done. Like, I just want to go to sleep, wake up, the kit's there. That's all I want to do right now. Brittany, you're getting a turbo kit, baby. Oh. What? What? My bumper's broken. It's completely broken. Yo, not even kidding. There's something really weird on the ground right now. We're gonna go explore it. What is that? What is that over there? Oh, yo, that is a crap ton of syringes and oh my gosh, I'm out. That's bad. All right, next. Let's go to the next part of this vlog. Okay, so if you guys did not, oh, this is too dark, bro. It was about a month ago, Compare and I teamed up to do a giveaway, and well, we picked the winner, I believe last week, the 13th. So they went ahead and picked the winner. I contacted him via email. And we contacted the winner, he confirmed. Right now, real quick, I'm about to just send him over the $200 eBay gift card. And I am saying this because there's actually a giveaway in this video, so continue watching. All right, with that being said, email sent, on to the next portion of this vlog. Okay, something I've been meaning to do for the longest time is an oil change on the 300ZX. I don't think I've ever filmed this, so we're gonna do an oil change on the 300ZX. Also, I just saw this like little timestamp that I put. This is the day that we finished doing the whole concrete on the side of the house. It's already been over a year. Dude, time is moving, bro. That's crazy. The sound this car makes, like, it shakes houses. 7 a.m. cold start. Sorry, neighbors. Like, I actually feel bad. Either way, VR1 high zinc 20W50 Canon HP 1002. Literally, I could not find online which filter I needed. Dumbest thing ever. It took like 30 minutes, but I think I don't even know if we got it, but I think we do. Why is this cap so much more smooth than like any other newer car? Actually, let me check the oil. Yeah, the oil's definitely not even that bad. It's not even dark. No oil leaks, so that's good. Sweet home Alabama. Today we're gonna be using intercoolers as a little stopper for the wheel. Oh, alright, so we need the oil and the pan. The oil pan. Yo, I need a 14 mil. You got some? You got some, my guy? You got some, my guy? Bam. This is actually a really good way to start off your morning. So if you haven't done your oil change already, get your butt up, boy. Oh, that was way too hard. Woo. I mean, it's not too dark. Changing oil in the car is probably like the best feeling ever. Wait, is that sound the oil leaking on the ground? No way, dude. Oh, we good, we're good. Whew, whew, that was scary. Young Diggy. Oh, the rear main seal isn't even leaking oil. That's so good. Wow. Because when I did the clutch and the transmission, I made the mistake of not redoing the rear main seal. So I've always been worried about it leaking, and thankfully it is not. That's a problem that Z's have, and just cars in general. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna get this? Oh, wait, I got it. Got it. Oh, this is a Nissan OEM. Oh shoot, oh crap, oh crap, 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 crap. Oh crap. Are you ready? I'm about to say something kind of crazy. What if I turn on the car with no oil right now? Like, what are the odds? I get it, what are the odds? Okay, this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that face. I've actually never tried out Valvoline before. I do know that their quality is like extremely good. And the top right here is just really nice so you don't lose a lot of oil. Dude, it's attention to detail, not gonna lie. Packaging, Valvoline much better than Mobil 1. No, I'm just praying that this filter actually fits. That's the thing. Oh, it fits. Yes. Hard work. I should get a magnetic bolt for this one as well. I have it for the 370. It's not the funnest because whenever you're trying to put it, it's like it doesn't want to go in, but it's pretty good for the car. Oh, that's right, girl. Gobble up that oil. Ooh, that feels good. Gobble, 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 gobble. Let's see, zoom. That looks actually perfect. So it did not take the 5 quarts. It took probably like about 4 and then a little bit more. I know you guys love what I'm about to show you, but it's time to move on. We are indeed changing the cluster back to OEM, back to factory. Oh, this is gonna hurt. So after we take this one out and put the OEM one back on, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how you can win this same cluster for your Nissan 370Z. But until then, let's do this real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, don't start. So a trick you can do, click that button right there. Ah, there we go. It's always so weird looking at the car with no cluster. It looks kind of cool, but it's super weird. Okay, so this is how you're gonna enter to win this Nissan 370Z custom cluster. Straight off the 370Z, and I already kinda did it myself. So if you wanna do it yourself, crap. I'm literally gonna include a whole another module so you can wire yourself and do a better job than I did if you want. To enter, if you guys don't already know, I started my own podcast channel with my best friend Jack. It's called Shift in Motion. It will be in the top link in the description to the latest episode. I need you guys, click that link, go to the latest episode. I'm pretty sure it's gonna direct you there. 1, subscribe to the channel, and 2, leave a comment in the latest video, which is the one the link is gonna direct you to, with your Instagram or some type of email or information I can contact you. Do not leave your phone number. What I'd really like you guys to do is go watch the podcast, comment something about the podcast or how it can improve, or what you liked about it. We talked about turbos, hating the car community, and yeah, that's how you're gonna enter. I'm kind of regretting giving this away, so I'm only gonna give it a week. So a week from when you watch this video, I will announce the giveaway winner on my Instagram first and then later on YouTube. But if you won, you're already gonna know. To recap, go subscribe to Shift in Motion, leave a comment on the latest video, watch the podcast, and yeah, the uploading schedule for that channel is a podcast every single Monday, and we're working on getting it on Apple Podcasts as well. Smash that like if you have not already, subscribe, and good luck on the giveaway because this thing is sick. Oh, another thing, it does not have like the crystal or like the little plastic cover, so you would have to get it from your cluster and put on this one. If you don't want it, just sell it. I mean, this cluster alone costs a good amount of money. And yeah, love you guys. Peace.